Welcome to Faculty of Industrial Sciences and Technology Technical Services. Offering technical services and consultation. We are well equipped with major and top-of-the-range instrumentation required to cover these 6 categories of testing, such as spectroscopy and chromatography analysis, elemental and thermal testing, water testing analysis, material testing, and occupational safety and health. Our instruments for elemental and thermal analysis are inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry. ICP-MS is capable of detecting metals and several nonmetals at very low concentrations. ICP-MS is widely used in medical and forensic fields, specifically toxicology. In recent years, industrial and biological monitoring has presented another major need for metal analysis, via ICP-MS, benchtop, X-ray diffractometer, XRD. It is a rapid analytical technique primarily used for phase identification of a crystalline material and can provide information on unit cell dimensions. Surface Area Analyzer, BET. It aims to explain the physical adsorption of gas molecules on a solid surface and serves as the basis for an important analysis technique for the measurement of the specific surface area of materials. The observations are very often referred to as physical adsorption and physisorption. Differential scanning calorimeter. DSC is used to measure enthalpy changes due to changes in physical and chemical properties of a material as a function of temperature or time. The method allows you to identify and characterize materials. DSC is fast, sensitive and easy to use. And, rheometer. To measure the rheological properties of a material, rheometers are used. They measure the torque and the deflection angle of the measuring bob. This means that in a viscosity measurement the rheometer presets a certain current that correlates to a defined torque. For spectroscopy and chromatography, we have GCMS and GCFID. The sample solution injected into the instrument enters a gas stream which transports the sample into a separation tube known as the column. The various components are separated inside the column. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, FTIR. FTIR offers quantitative and qualitative analysis for organic and inorganic samples. It identifies chemical bonds in a molecule by producing an infrared absorption spectrum. High-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC. HPLC is a chromatographic technique that is used to separate a mixture of compounds in analytical chemistry and biochemistry, to identify, quantify or purify the individual components of the mixture. Photoluminescence. Photoluminescence spectroscopy, often referred to as PL, is when light energy, or photons, stimulate the emission of a photon from any matter. It is a non-contact, non-destructive method of probing materials. UV-vis spectrophotometer. UV-vis is a powerful analytical technique to determine the optical properties, that is transmittance, reflectance, and absorbance of liquids and solids. Rotary evaporator. Rotary evaporation is the process of reducing the volume of a solvent by distributing it as a thin film across the interior of a vessel, at elevated temperature and reduced pressure. This promotes the rapid removal of excess solvent from less volatile samples. The goal of microwave digesters is to completely break down samples such as metals, pharmaceuticals, plants, soil, or food so they are ready for elemental analysis. Microwave digestion systems are popular because their decreased digestion times, due to the use of closed vessels made of chemically inert materials, and direct heating of sample solution can result in significantly higher sample output. For biotechnology testing, we offer refrigerated centrifuged. Centrifugation is a technique used for the separation of particles from a solution according to their size, shape, density, viscosity of the medium and rotor speed. The particles are suspended in a liquid medium and placed in a centrifuge tube. The tube is then placed in a rotor and spun at a defined speed. Microplate reader. A microplate reader is a sensitive, quartz-based tool that can measure up to 16 samples simultaneously, using just 2 microliter of sample volumes. Its software has special features for quick and easy DNA, or RNA quantification. Real-time PCR machine. Freeze dryer. And ultracentrifuge. For material testing, we have universal testing machine. UTM is used to test the tensile strength and compressive strength of materials. Hardness tester. A device that indicates the hardness of a material, usually by measuring the effect on its surface of a localized penetration by a standardized, rounded or pointed indenture of diamond, carbide, or hard steel. For water testing, we have turbidity meter. Our compact handheld water analysis turbidity meter provides precise, sensitive and dependable measurements of low levels turbidity from 0.05 NTU to higher levels turbidity of 4000 NTU. Colorimeter. And jar tester. And last but not least, for occupational safety and health, respirator fit test. A fit test is a test protocol conducted to verify that a respirator is both comfortable and provides the wearer with the expected protection. Fit testing uses a test agent, either qualitatively detected by the wearer's sense of taste, smell, or involuntary cough, irritant smoke, or quantitatively measured by an instrument, to verify the respirator's fit. LEV testing. The 9565P multifunction ventilation meter from TSI is a portable, handheld device for accurate air velocity measurement. It can simultaneously measure air velocity, flow, temperature, humidity, and pressure. It features best-in-class air velocity accuracy, as well as an integrated differential pressure sensor. Lux meter. The LM120 light meter measures the visible light from fluorescent, metal halide, high-pressure sodium or incandescent sources. It measures a wide range of light up to 20,000 Fc, or 200,000 lux with an accurate and high resolution. Audiometer booth. The GSI-17 audiometer is an instrument used to evaluate the hearing threshold of a person. It is designed for use in any hearing screening situation such as offices, schools and industry. Spirometer. Spirometry is a test used to assess how well your lungs work, by measuring how much air you inhale, exhale and how quickly you exhale. Spirometry is used to diagnose asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and other conditions that affect breathing. Personal air sampling pump. And indoor air quality, IAQ. To reach us, simply key in fist.ump.edu.my on your search engine. Hover your cursor to the service button, and click Lab Technical. You can either call our line numbers, email, or send a message directly here, for free consultations. Thank you for your time, and have a good day.